Hello, Shire. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, this is Shahrukh Nadeem, author of Readistan, founder of BookBuddy YouTube channel. I also lead two technology companies. One is My HCM Pakistan and the second one is My Water.
Your channel is now about to hit 200K subscribers, and that is an incredible milestone. So, what do you think has been the key to your success in connecting with such a large audience?
Well, first of all, I want to thank the BookBuddy community who have been supportive, unconditionally supportive over the past 6 years. And it feels surreal, and I'm actually overwhelmed with the thought that I'll be reaching 200K subscribers. I think one quality which has helped me over the course of past so many years is the quality of perseverance. So my advice to people who want to start their YouTube channel, whether it be on books or any other discipline, perseverance is something which will come true to you, and it will take you to the next level. So if you're determined and you have a long-term goal and you persevere and you work every day towards it, you will be successful.
How do you see the role of booktubers in shaping the reading culture, especially in Pakistan?
Unfortunately, there are not many people who talk about books in Pakistan. Globally, booktubing is very, very famous. However, I think BookBuddy has laid that platform for people where people can come in and they can grow in this discipline of YouTube as well. Uh, Booktubers play a very important role in terms of disseminating knowledge and wisdom that is embedded in books. And I strongly encourage people of Pakistan, anyone who is into books, to start their own YouTube channel so that people in Pakistan can learn, because हमारे मुल्क को इस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा इंटेलेक्चुअल स्टिमुलेशन की जरूरत है। और मुझे ये लगता है कि जितना हम लोग लोगों के साथ किताबें शेयर करें, किताबों के अंदर जो नॉलेज है, जो हिकमत है, जो विजडम है, उसके बारे में बात करें, द बेटर इट इज फॉर द पीपल ऑफ आवर कंट्री।
Everyone's journey has a challenge. So, what were some hurdles that you faced while starting this booktubing channel?
So for BookBuddy, since it's my passion, it's my obsession, it's a big bit of a madness for me. So for me, the only thing I had to do was keep my things in order and just move every day on the path that I have chosen. Of course, there were hurdles initially, because when you start something new, there is little success. But I have always believed in the power of compounding, and I believe that that the principle of compounding has really worked for me. और आज 2 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स मेरे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं. So I'm very very happy, and I'm very very I cherish the love of people.
So, can you share one memorable moment that stuck with you, or an interaction with a viewer that stuck with you?
There have been lot of interactions, memorable interactions, and first of all, I want to thank the people कि आज book buddy की वजह से when I go out, people meet me and they really show their appreciation and love towards me. So once what happened was, I was shopping at a local shopping mall, and one person came to me and he said, Shahrukh, I love your work, and he took a selfie, and then he called his wife. He said, especially want my wife to meet you. और फिर उसने मुझे कहा कि सर आपकी वजह से ना मेरी शादी हुई है. I asked him, I was curious what happened. So he said कि आपका एक रिव्यू था, बुक रिव्यू, men are from Mars and women are from Venus. तो वो मैंने आपका बुक रिव्यू देखा था, उससे मैंने खवातीन की नफ्सियात को समझा. I understood how women's psychology work, and I applied the same principles on my current wife, and she ended up marrying me. So I was very happy to see कि मेरे बुक रिव्यूज की वजह से लोग शादी भी कर रहे हैं. So it's good to know that.
Okay, so you describe Readistan as coming from the core of your heart. So, what was the driving force behind writing this book, and how do your experiences with BookBuddy influence this creation?
Readistan, again, the passion behind Readistan is the same passion that I carry for my Book Buddies YouTube channel, and that is to make people read, to intellectually stimulate our people, and to make our people read, learn, progress, and grow. And that is what I want people to do when it comes to Readistan as well, because in this fast moving world, people do not have time to read lengthy books. So what I did was I compressed 50 of the books which have impacted my life the most. तो मैंने उन 50 किताबों को कंप्रेस किया इन अ वे ताकि आप 10 से 15 मिनट के अंदर एक किताब को पढ़ सकें. सो आप जब रीडिस्तान खरीदते हैं, सो यू एक्चुअली बाय 50 बुक्स एट द प्राइस ऑफ वन. दैट्स द यूटिलिटी एंड वैल्यू ऑफ रीडिस्तान. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरी जो किताब है रीडिस्तान, इसके जरिए लोग उन किताबों से आशना हो सके, उन किताबों को पढ़ सकें जो उन्होंने शायद नहीं पढ़ी और जो ग्लोबल बेस्ट सेलर्स हैं. So that was the idea behind Readistan.
How did you balance your writing and maintaining your proper YouTube channel?
So very good question, and time management is something which I urge everyone to learn. देखिए, जिंदगी में जो है ना, वक्त ही सब कुछ है, और एक्चुअली हमारी जिंदगी है ही वक्त. So if you are able to manage time, your life gets sorted. So for me, since I do several things in my life, I teach at CBM, I run two technology companies. They are startups, so it takes a lot of my intellectual power and physical power in every which way. And then I write as well, and then I run my channel as well. There are several other things that I do. So इन सब के अंदर किताबों के लिए किताब लिखने के लिए टाइम निकालना was a very big task, but I have a habit of waking up early, so I wake up around 5:30 every morning, and then I work till late at night, and then uh, I sleep well as well. So मैं जो है वो 10:30-11 बजे से ऊपर मैं सो जाता हूँ जल्दी, and I take around 5-6 hours of sleep, and that helps me in managing my time.
How did your collaboration with Liberty Publishing come about, and how has that experience of being published by them been for you?
Liberty Books, as you know, is the gold standard when it comes to book shopping in Pakistan, and I have been a very old-time customer of Liberty Books. So जब मैंने रीडिस्तान लिखने का सोचा तो मैंने पब्लिशर्स ढूंढने शुरू किए और जब मुझे पता लगा कि लिबर्टी बुक्स इज आल्सो अ पब्लिशर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिबर्टी पब्लिशिंग, सो आई थॉट मेरी किताब पब्लिश होगी तो लिबर्टी बुक्स ही करेंगे. एंड देन आई मेट समीर एंड सलीम साहब, and they have a fantastic team who made the job entire publishing process very smooth and seamless, and I thank the team at Liberty Publishing. And I, in fact, want to tell all my fellow authors who are aspiring to be authors या जो अपनी किताबें publish करवाना चाहते हैं, Liberty Books is one a great institution जहाँ जिसके जरिए आप you can become a published author, and of course you can enjoy of the feeling or the delight of being an author. One of the good things about Liberty Books is their online presence. So like I said, in today's world, we do not have time to go to the bookstore. So Liberty Books has a huge collection of books that you can order while sitting at your home. Just go to their website, libertybooks.com, and you can buy the best and original books in Pakistan. And one good thing or the good news for you is that Liberty Books offers discount on BookBuddy coupon code. So when you type BookBuddy when you're checking out, you get a straight up 20% discount. Thank me later.
So which book has had the most profound impact on you and which you personally love?
So it's very hard to narrow down on one single book, but since you have asked for one book, I would rate Steven Pinker's Rationality that I've read in recent time. That has had a very profound impact on my thought process and how I think.
What advice would you give to aspiring booktubers or authors who look up to you and want to follow in your footsteps?
Firstly, I thank them for looking up to me and giving me the support. One thing I want to say is you can be much, much, much better than me. And only if you have the commitment to commit to your goals on a long term basis. Perseverance is one virtue which will take you ahead in life. And anything that you want to do, whether it be on YouTube or anything that you want to do in your personal or professional life, just make it a point to do it at the level of excellence. Once you choose excellence in whatever you do, sky is the limit for you.
So what's next for Sharak Nadeem? Any future projects either for BookBuddy or in your writing that you're excited about?
Yeah, so many things. So every day is a new day for me, and I have my plans with respect to BookBuddy as well. So a lot of new avenues of content that I'm discovering, and the audience will get to know about it very soon. When it comes to writing my new book, of course, that's on the cards as well. I cannot reveal much details, but I will leave you with a hint, and that hint is 100.